Hi there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to unblock someone on Facebook, then here is a step-by-step guide for you. First, you have to open your Facebook account, then you'll find the newsfeed. Then you just need to click on three-line button at the bottom right corner, and from here you just need to click on settings and privacy and expand this, and you will find settings. Now scroll down until you find blocking option. Now you click on it and you will find those people listed here that you have blocked on Facebook. Now you can simply click on unblock here, and you just need to give the confirmation that you are unblocking this person on Facebook, and you can simply find that person is vanished from your blocking list, and that means that person is just unblocked on your Facebook account. It's that much simple. It's that much simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.